Today it's all about pork, and I'm going to be showing you a very easy and simple, delicious garlic butter pork recipe, which you're going to absolutely love because it's garlicky, it's buttery, it's full of flavor with very basic pantry ingredients, and the outcome is going to be amazing. Serve this for lunch, dinner, meal prep, and it's going to be absolutely amazing. You're going to need some pork for this recipe, and I've prepped up some onions, garlic, a few spices, butter, salt, and cooking oil. The recipe is super simple with basic ingredients. So we are going to start off cooking our pork by boiling it for around 10 minutes, and I'm going to transfer my pork to my pan and place over medium flame. Add in half a cup of water. As the pork is cooking, it's going to release its own water. That's why I'm adding in half a cup of water. And I've chopped up the pork into bite-sized pieces. It's just a matter of waiting for the pork to boil, and then we're going to proceed to add some flavor to the pork. After a few minutes, I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. My pork is not fatty. That's the reason I'm adding in a tablespoon of oil. If yours is fatty, it's going to render its own fat. But I requested the butcher to give me a cut that was not fatty. So I'm going to sear the pork for around 1 to 2 minutes while stirring. And this is going to add in tons of flavor to the recipe. As the pork is searing, you'll notice found on the bottom of the pan, that is some extra flavor. So at this point, because the pork is browning and getting that perfect flavor, we are going to be adding in our onions. And I'm going to add in 2 large onions, which are going to add in lots of flavor to the recipe. And also I'm going to throw in a tablespoon of butter. Reduce the flames to low. Then I'm going to cook my onions for around a minute. Just look how everything is looking. The butter is going to add in lots of flavor to the pork. And at this point, the onions have softened up. So I'm going to add in 6 cloves of garlic. You can add in more because we are making some garlic butter pork. Stir in. Then I'm going to cook for around 30 seconds until the garlic is flavorful and the kitchen is smelling amazing. At this point, everything is just smelling so delicious because of the butter. I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of water, which is going to deglaze the pan, reduce the flames, and let everything cook. So the next step is going to be adding in some seasoning, and I have paprika, garlic powder, and chili flakes. Add in some salt. Stir in everything, and immediately you notice that the pork changes color with a very nice reddish color from the paprika, and also the garlic powder is going to add in tons of more garlic flavor. The chili flakes is going to add in a kick of spiciness. So after adding in your spices, you're going to cook the pork for around 1 to 2 minutes over low flame. This is me right now. I'm going to be enjoying the pork with some soft ugali straight from the pan because, yeah, it's looking so delicious. This is a recipe for around 1 to 2 people. So you can double or even triple the ingredients to make more for your family. Yeah, I'm super excited to dig in. So hope you'll be giving this recipe a try.